So this week I thought we could talk about arm length. It's a thing, and it's going to make some poses easier and others a little more challenging, and hopefully you can move from a grass is always greener to embrace and love what your mama gave you. The first thing we need to do is figure out whether you're on Team T-Rex or Team Gorilla, and or maybe as perfect as Ken and Barbie. That's a joke. And so what you need to do is find a wall, and we measure out your wingspan in relationship to your height. Start with your fingertips on the floor and reach up the wall as high as you can, then keep that mark and standing up to measure whether you've got long arms like I do. So that makes binds easier. So wrapping around and catching hold is much easier, as well as, say, lifting up off the floor, as well as the stepping through that we looked at last week. Use your imagination here, and if I had short arms, then in press handstand I'd be able to bring my hips over my hands and just float my feet right on up. So I guess the point of this video is not to discourage, but to just have gratitude for having two arms to take it all in. Namaste.